Northwest Pro. It's your boy, Big Guns Justin Andrews, and yeah, I'm out here sailing the high seas, and I know what your question is. Man, Big Guns, you're out here in the middle of the ocean for our latest show. And you're right, I will be missing the October events for Northwest Pro. But don't worry, ladies and gents, because I'm back November 19th, Northwest Pro. Big Guns Justin Andrews returns. I don't know what they have in store for me, and I know all you great fans are behind me the whole way. So whoever it is, they're going to step up, and I'm going to knock them down. Consider this anyone on the roster's invitation to the suplex party.